Dear students, today we will continue our chapter 4, heat. You have already discussed heat. What is heat? Heat is basically a form of energy which makes the object hot. This you know that object कोई भी है वो गर्म हो जाता है, that means it produces heat. Okay, now we will discuss transfer of heat, that means flow of heat, and how heat flows, like transmission of mode of transmission of heat, that is conduction, convection and radiation, their applications and kind of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Now first topic is transfer of heat. Students, you know that a steaming cup of coffee, then that means a garam cup हम कॉफ़ी का अगर लेते हैं, milk, tea, that becomes cold after some time. अगर हम उसको साइड पे रख देते हैं तो it becomes cold, ठंडा हो जाता है वो कुछ टाइम के बाद. Similarly, if we'll take a cold drink from a refrigerator, लेते हैं cold drink and we'll take it out from the refrigerator and keep it on a slab or any table. टेबल पे रख देते हैं, it becomes warm after some time. Why it is so? These are all due to one reason only, that is the flow of heat, or you can say that transfer of heat from the surroundings. Clear? That means the heat that is flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at lower temperature is called as transfer of heat, and this is transferred in three forms. One is conduction, convection, radiation. In three ways it is transferred, that is now we will discuss these three ways in detail. Next is conduction. First mode of transmission is conduction. What is conduction? Conduction is basically a process by which heat is transferred in solids from hotter part to the colder part. You have seen container, one container which you have taken and keep it on a flame. आपने flame के ऊपर उसे रख दिया. घर में गैस स्टोव है आपके, आप उसके ऊपर रख देते हो. First of all, what will happen? The lower part of the container that will become hot. जो नीचे का पार्ट है वो गर्म होता है. Then the sides will become hot. Then the handle will become hot. एक एक करके एक चीज़ गर्म होती है, and then the upper part, or you can say lid, will become hot. So similarly, what does it mean? That it and the container is basically in solid shape. So that means the heat is transferred in solid in that container from one part to another part. That means hotter end to the colder end. Is it okay? Now this activity also clears you the how heat transfers in case of conduction. Take we'll take a iron rod, एक आयरन रॉड या एल्यूमिनियम की रॉड और एनी मेटल रॉड और कॉपर वायर, यू कैन टेक एनीथिंग. Do this activity, you can do this activity at home but under the supervision of your parents only. Clear? Now attach some or fix some wax pieces. मोम के पीसेस होते हैं, आप उनको फिक्स कर लीजिए उस कॉपर वायर पे, किसी एल्यूमिनियम पे, एनी आयरन वायर पे. ओके, देन टेक अ लाइटेड कैंडल and start heating one end of the wire or one end of the rod. Clear? After some time what you will observe that the pieces of the wax that begin to melt, कुछ टाइम बाद ये मेल्ट होने शुरू हो जाएंगे. Why they begin to melt? Because of the heating effect from one end, and they fall down. The wax pieces fall down, and that is only due to the heating effect. That means this shows that heat is transferred from hotter end to the colder end by conduction. Clear? Next is again conduction. Conduction transfer of heat takes place in the through direct contact only. In this case it will only through the direct contact. If you place a container, कोई container गैस पे रखा आपने, तो क्या हुआ? डायरेक्ट गर्म हुआ वो, कोई उसमें कोई और मीडियम नहीं है, but only the solid medium, that is the container, is there. As long as if you place that container now on the slab, अगर slab पे रख दोगे तो after some time what you will observe, the slab and its surroundings becomes hot, कुछ गर्म हो जाएंगी. आप टच करेंगे यू विल फील हॉट, ऐसा ही होगा. तो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट मीन्स एज लॉन्ग एज द ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर इन द कॉन्टैक्ट, जितने ऑब्जेक्ट्स आपस में कॉन्टैक्ट में आएंगे द ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट विल कंटिन्यू अंटिल द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट बिकम सेम, जब तक टेम्परेचर सेम नहीं हो जाता. आई हैव टेकन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ सूप हेयर, हॉट सूप. Okay, you can take hot soup in the mug, very hot soup, boiling soup that is, and put a steel spoon in it. एक स्टील का स्पून आप इसमें डाल दीजिए, ठीक है. आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हाट यू विल ऑब्जर्व, व्हेन यू टच द स्पून, स्टील स्पून, तो आपकी फिंगर्स को हॉट फील होगा. योर फिंगर्स फील हॉट. दैट मीन्स द हीट that is only due to the direct contact of the heat. That means the spoon is in the direct contact with the hot soup. Clear? The heat will transfer to spoon after some time. Clear? Now conductors and insulators that you have already studied. Conductors जो heat allow नहीं करते हैं, which do not those materials जो heat को allow करते हैं, sorry. The materials which allow heat to pass through them, and the insulators are those which do not allow, जो heat allow नहीं करते, pass नहीं करने देते. Examples of conductor are all metals like brass, aluminium, silver, copper. These are all examples. And the examples of insulator are plastic, wood, okay, rubber, then water, air. These are also the examples of insulator. Clear? Next mode of transmission of heat is convection. It is the process by which heat is transferred in liquids and gases from the hotter part to the colder part. This process takes place, convection process takes place only in fluids. Fluids means liquids and gases. ये आपकी solids में नहीं होगी. Solids में conduction process ही काम करेगी. Is it okay? The transfer of heat takes place in solids through conduction process, but in convection this process will take place only in liquids and gases. Clear? Why it is so? Because in solid what will happen, that the why conduction process will only takes place, convection process will not takes place in liquid and solids, because the solid particles are, जो molecules आपको मालूम है उसके अंदर present होते हैं, that are very closely packed, एक दूसरे से चिपके होते हैं. And when we heat them, what will happen? They vibrate their own position, अपनी ही position पे vibrate करना शुरू कर देते हैं, जिससे वो आपस में एक दूसरे से क्या करते हैं, टकराते हैं, bang करते हैं, ठीक है, bang into the particles, and similarly heat is produced, and that heat will transfer from one part to another part, but only in solids. But in case of liquids, molecules are not so tightly packed, they are loosely packed, and when we heat them they become more loosen और लूज होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. And when the molecules, those molecules which become heated, they become lighter in case, they become lighter in weight में कम light हो जाते हैं, and they move upward like this. In water, अगर हम पानी boil करते हैं तो small bubbles are there, and after some time these bubbles come upwards, and the other water that will take its place, the upper water will take its place. That means the space left by the hot bubbles, or you can say hot water, lower water, that will go upward, then the space is empty. That empty space is quickly filled by the colder particles from the surroundings, and these colder particles again heated up, फिर से हीट होते हैं, again they become light in weight, and again they rises upward. This process continues till the whole fluid heated up. जब तक सारा fluid गर्म नहीं हो जाता, either it is liquid or it is gas, तब तक ये process continue है, and this process is called as convection. Clear? Next, two types of convectional currents. We have two types of convectional currents like sea breeze, land breeze. These are basically formed in coastal areas. This you know that these are the phenomenon of coastal areas. Now sea breeze formed during the day. What will happen during the day? During the day, the air above the land becomes hotter. Fastly it becomes hotter, and the air above the water that will not become hotter fastly as compared to land. You know that water boils at 100 degree Celsius. You know that अगर 100 डिग्री पे सेल्सियस पे बॉयल होता है दैट मीन्स इट विल टेक टाइम टू हॉट हीट अप. तो लैंड विल बिकम हीटेड अप और गेट्स हीटेड अप फास्टर देन द वाटर. Now the air above the air above the land that will rises up because it becomes light in weight and it rises up. And this empty space, this empty space is taken by the cool air from the sea. That means the cooler air from the sea rushes towards the land to take the place. ओके उस प्लेस को वो फिल कर देंगे. नाउ द वार्म एयर फ्रॉम द लैंड मूव्स टूवर्ड्स द सी टू कंप्लीट द साइकिल. द कन्वेक्शन करंट फ्रॉम सी टू लैंड causes sea breeze. Is it okay? Now next is land breeze. Land breeze happens formed during night. During night what will happen? Now the air above the water that is warmer. Is it okay? The land loses heat faster than the sea water. That means the air above the land that is warmer. Sea that is warmer. Now that air rises up and moves towards the sea, and the cooler air from the land that will moves towards the water to occupy that space. This type of cycle is called as the convection current between land to sea. From land to sea causes land breeze. Is it okay? Now is transfer of heat by convection in air. Agar convection in air. Now also we will discuss it with the help of a property in an activity. Okay, what you will do, again you will do this activity at your home but in the presence of parents only. Clear? Light a candle. Okay, keep your hand over the candle above the flame. After some time you will observe hot, your hand will feel hot. Why it feel hot? Because the air gets heated by convection, that is towards the top portion. Clear? If we take our hand on one side, other side, then what will happen? There will be no convection process. Air does not feel as hot as the top and the side. Clear? Your top hand will feel hot whereas your side hand will not feel hot. क्यों नहीं होगा? Because in this convection process, or you can say that convection air that will in the form of this. Here the convection is there on the top portion, not on the sides. Clear? That is okay. That means how convection in air takes place. Now is radiation, the third mode of transmission. Radiation is the process by which heat is transferred from one place to another without the help of medium. What is the meaning of medium here? That means no solids, no liquids, no gas. अब हीट जो आपकी ट्रांसफ़र होगी दैट ट्रांसफर्स डायरेक्टली, किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है उसको. और ये केस आप डेली देखते हैं, दैट इज़ द सन रेडिएशंस. द सन रीचेज द हीट फ्रॉम द सन रीचेज द अर्थ बाय डायरेक्ट रेडिएशंस. That is why on sunny day you take umbrella with you, because sometimes it is very hot and it can even burn your skin, harm your skin also. आपकी स्किन को इफेक्ट हो जाता है. That's why you take the umbrella on sunny day. That means the direct radiations. No material medium, कोई में liquid नहीं, no gases, no solids are there. Clear? Now if we sit near the fire or in front of fire, you can say near the fire, we feel warm. सर्दियों में आप लोग बैठते हैं या कैंप फायर होता है तो आप करते हैं ये सब कुछ. We feel warm. Why we feel warm? That is due to the heat radiated by fire. That is again the direct combination. Clear? Next is all hot bodies radiate heat. अब all hot bodies radiate heat means, that means like microwaves. If we talk about microwaves, then what will happen? The electromagnetic waves that will heat your food. करते हैं, डायरेक्ट हीट अप्लाई सप्लाई होती है उसके अंदर. नो मटेरियल मीडियम इज ऑल्सो देयर. योर हीट योर फूड बिकम्स कुक्ड और योर फूड गेट्स हीटेड अप in microwaves. That is the example of all hot bodies radiate heat. Next is your dark colored and light colored surfaces. Now dark colored and light colored surfaces, they dark color absorb more heat than light colored surfaces. This also we can understand with the help of a activity. What is the activity? That we will take two cans, or you can say two containers, one painted black and one painted white. एक को black कर लीजिए पेंट, एक को white कर लीजिए पेंट. Now take equal amount of water in it. दोनों में पानी लीजिए and keep them in a sun. सन के बाहर सन में थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ दीजिए, एटलीस्ट फॉर 1 to 2 hours. After 2 hours or 1 hour, you will observe that this water gets warmer than white water, the water in the white container. Clear? What you will observe, the water in the black container is warmer than the water in the white container. Clear? Why it is so? Because dark colored surfaces absorb more heat. And the example of these is, first is like pipes of solar heaters. If you see the pipes of solar heaters, जिनके घर में लगे होंगे, they have seen. And the solar cookers, those who have the solar cookers, they are painted black from outside. क्यों पेंट किया जाता है उनको black? Why? Because that they can absorb more and more radiations from the sun. Is it okay? That is why they are painted black from outside. Now we talk about dark colored surfaces radiate more heat than light colored surfaces. How? Again we will discuss it with the same activity, but again we will take two containers. One is black colored container, one is white colored container. Again we will put water in it. Again, but now we will this is the lukewarm water, not the same water. The lukewarm water, same temperature. Okay, we keep them in a shade, यानी छाया में रख दें या तो इन्हें, और we will keep them in a room में रख दीजिए. After 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, you will observe, what you will observe now, that the water in the black container is cooler than the water in the white container. जो ब्लैक कंटेनर का पानी है, दैट विल बिकम ठंडा, जल्दी ठंडा हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा ठंडा होगा एज कम्पेयर टू वाटर इन द वाइट कंटेनर. क्लियर? दैट मीन्स अब इसी का एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लें तो आपके कार के जो रेडिएटर्स होते हैं, कार के अंदर रेडिएटर्स फिक्स होते हैं, दे आर पेंटेड ब्लैक. सिमिलरली आपके एयर कंडीशन के रेडिएटर्स जो होते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो पेंटेड ब्लैक. वाई? टू रेडिएट मोर हीट अवे. हीट को बाहर निकालने के लिए, टू रेडिएट मोर हीट अवे, दे आर पेंटेड ब्लैक. क्लियर? नाउ इज योर काइंड्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. During kinds of clothes wear in different seasons. If we talk about dark color clothes, they wear in we wear dark color clothes in winters. Why? To absorb more heat, and they keep us warm. Similarly, if we wear white color clothes, light colored clothes in summer, because it reflects most of the heat and keeps us cool. Clear? Now we wear woolen clothes in winter. This we have already discussed. Why we wear woolen clothes in this winter? Because wool is a poor conductor of heat. This you know that. And air in between the wool fibers prevents loss of heat. The air present in wool fibers prevents the loss of heat from our body. हमारी body से heat को बाहर नहीं जाने देते. That air present in wool fibers. This you know that. So we feel warm. Okay, that's why we wear woolen clothes in winter. Thank you, students. Now your chapter is completed. Now read page number 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 very carefully from your NCERT book. Thank you and have a nice day.